For the continuation, I'm going to read how the instructional materials play a very big role in the teaching and learning process. A. It helps the tutors to provide his student with meaningful sources of information. Help the tutors by providing him with means of widening his students of information. Being expert with learning resources in the classroom. Allow members of a group or class to share equally the same teaching experience. E. Instructional media is very sustainable for individualized and special instruction. Instructional media has taken instruction to non-formal setting outside the school. G. Instructed media can help to take over some routine tasks of the teacher. Recall prerequisite. Use media to help students recall what they learned in the last class. I. Present new content. Of course, not only can media help make new content more memorable, media can also help deliver new content. J. It can also be used to facilitate students drill and practice. Example given audio tapes for drilling and practice in spelling and pronunciation in English language. Okay, instructional media provides concrete experience and enables the student integrate prior experience with new learning. L. It can be used to promote the discovery or inquiry approach to learning and teaching. So, language material is bibliographic entry for an object that is mostly textual in character, whether printed, manuscript, microform, or electronic resource. Materials can be informal information the learner about the target language, instructional, leading the student in language practice, and experiential, giving the learners hands-on experience with the language or encouraging the learners to use the language. Instructional materials can be classified by the type including print, visual, and audiovisual among others. Materials should facilitate learners' ability to study and self-investigate. This is possible if the material or coursework can assist learners in accomplishing this by enabling subject comprehension and engaging in learner-centered discovery activities and assignment. So this is the instruction material can be classified by print, textbook, visual, and more. When selecting materials, always remember a number of specific aspects of the local context must be considered. The age of the student, the number of the student in the class, the learners, levels, how learning is typical managed, teacher-fronted, or experiential, or something in between, motivation for learning and availability. Keep in mind that while picking materials for tasks, it should be relevant. Concentrate on the process, possibility of review and evaluation, possibility of efficiency of learners, and of course, choose an educational aim. Perform an instructional analysis. Write down your performance goals. Create an educational strategy. That's all. Thank you.